All right, it's the end of day 51, and oh boy. This morning we had a radiology lecture from one of the orthopedic surgeons at JPS Hospital in Fort Worth. He's the head of the residency program there, and he gave a lecture on radiology, and then he gave an MLM on about 6 or 7 cases of orthopedic trauma that he's seen or patients that he's dealt with. Dealing with the lower extremities with hip replacements in older individuals, as well as Perthes cases in younger individuals, and then talked about knee replacements, ankle injuries, different things. After that, we had an ethics class where a couple of the groups, we got divided into groups. They have to present on an article regarding ethics in medicine. And then after that, we had grand rounds. Grand round is something you do in residency, so I don't know why I'm doing it as a first-year medical student, but I guess it's just good practice. Seems like a little bit of overkill. And the kids that did grand rounds, they got totally wrecked. Like the guy that was facilitating just started asking them ridiculous questions. One of the questions he asked them was, how did they calculate the confidence interval? Like they had to know statistics or something in order to answer the question. It was ridiculous. But that was that. We didn't have lunch today, so today seemed really, really long. We were in class from 8 to 5 with no breaks. Well, I guess not class totally, because after that at 1 o'clock we had lab. During our lab session, we dissected out the rest of the foot, looked at all the tendons that come medial, lateral, the muscles in the different compartments in the lower extremity, and then all the intrinsic muscles of the foot on the dorsal and plantar surfaces. Really an interesting dissection, just looking at the different muscles, very comparable to the hand with a few differences. And then after that we had a quiz in lab over different portions of the anatomy. So that kind of required us to stick around for quite a while to wait for that. But that was it. Then I came home, hung out for a bit, did some studying. Now it's almost 1 o'clock, and I got quite a bit of studying done. Still feel like I have a lot more to do. So tomorrow night I'm sure I'll be up late, with it being a night before the test. So I'll see you all tomorrow after school, and we'll get some studying on for our test, or I guess my test.